The following graph gives information about a language college timetable. According to this graph, on day 1, the courses from 9 a.m. to 12 noon are the tour of the college and welcome by head of college and morning tea. And on day 1, the courses from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. are English language class and social activity on site. You can see from this graph that the longest class is on day 5, almost the whole day. What's more, on day 6 and day 7, students spend time with homestay families. To sum up, the graph tells about a language college timetable. The following graph gives information about the moon and fish. For the first quarter, fish stay at the bottom of the sea. Next, fish begin to move upwards and are located in the middle part of the sea. When it comes to the full moon, fish are distributed all over the sea. Finally, for the last quarter, fish swim near the surface of the sea. In conclusion, the picture shows that the moon and fish are closely related to each other. This graph is about the number of potatoes consumed from Monday to Sunday, measured in kilos. It starts at 15 kilos on Monday, followed by a rapid increase to a small peak at 30 kilos on Wednesday. However, the amount starts to decrease and achieves a minimum at 10 kilos on Thursday. After that, the amount increases rapidly again, and it reaches a maximum of 35 kilos on Sunday. This graph is a combination of a bar chart and line chart, where the line chart shows the middle points of the bars. In conclusion, this graph provides interesting information about the number of potatoes consumed over the week. The following graph gives information about the average rainfall in millimeters. The items include spring, summer, and autumn. According to this graph, in spring, the rainfall of the UK is around 5.3, and that of summer is lower, which is around 4.5. You can see from this graph that the highest rainfall of Japan is in summer, around 3.4. Finally, the highest value of Australia is in spring. To sum up, the graph tells about the average rainfall. This bar chart presents household computer or internet access. It is clear from the chart that all the categories increase over time. For computer access represented in light grey, it increases from 50% in 1998 to about 75% in 2009, and for internet access represented in black from about 15% in 1998 to about 70% in 2009. This is a rapid increase. Finally, broadband access increases from 10% in 2004 to about 60% in 2009. To sum up, the graph tells about internet access.